Hello, my name is Louise Asler and I am a student at John Perry Secondary School. In this short video, I will be talking about what nature play is and the benefits of nature play and the outcomes of nature play for children. Hope you enjoy this video. Nature play is when children go outside to be around nature and play and do activities. They have fun and learn different skills with little adult supervision. It is an active, unstructured, structured environment compared to indoor learning, which helps children learn to take risks. I surveyed parents and early child care workers on their understanding of what nature play is. They said that this is when children are outside playing and begin imagination with objects from the outdoors by using them as toys. For example, trees can become a house, rocks and logs become pathways to cross a ragged river, and sticks, leaves and mud can become ingredients to cook with. The benefits of nature play are improvement of classroom behaviours. Students want to learn more. Improvement of classroom subjects. Reduce ADHD behaviours. Higher scores on tests. And students want to learn. Students who struggle with school perform better. I surveyed parents and early childcare workers on their understanding of the benefits of nature play. They said getting fresh air and sun exposure are beneficial for systems and well-being. It is also beneficial in helping develop and improve their imagination. It develops skills in playing with their peers or on their own. Lastly, I will be talking about what the outcomes that come from nature play. As I mentioned in the benefits section, outcomes are preventing school engagement and force young children and learners